So here we are. We're set up in the microburger. I'm going to try cooking it 2 different ways. So we have the burgers already pre-prepped here. Okay, they're already all right. We have the buns, cute little buns, the stuff that's going to go on it, and we're going to do it here. All right, so let's see. First thing, we're going to pat the burger down nice and tight. Hello there, sir. That's hot. It's hot. Yeah, I like doing the pot.
What are you making?
Making micro burgers. How many micro burgers? Would you like the micro burgers?
No.
No?
Yes.
Yes? All right.
2, 3,
Well, we're going set. So 2 in a set.
4.
So we're doing 2.
What's the price?
Price is $4. For chips, comes in a bag, in a box. We'll see here. So
2 micro burgers and the water.
yeah, with 2 micro burgers, French fries. Maito. Good night. Hey, domo. Here we are. We're set up at the train station. Where's the